ZENITH, that stands for expert advice, detailed planning, reliable concrete equipment, and excellent service. More than 7,000 satisfied customers worldwide have given ZENITH their trust and benefit every day from our experience. We are one of the leading suppliers of the concrete industry worldwide, with the most extensive machine program, including mobile machines, stationary multi-layer machines, single pallet machines, and complete circulation systems. We are market and technology leader in many areas. Approximately 50 employees work at the site in Neunkirchen. In the clean, structured production, the concrete block machines are assembled. We only use high-quality materials of German suppliers. A team of professionals and modern working methods ensure smooth production processes and best possible delivery times. ZENITH accompanies its clients from the initial idea to the turnkey system. Using modern CAD systems, our technical staff creates detailed drawings. The end result is a tailor-made system concept for the customer's requirements. An intensive customer contact and professional advice provide the necessary basis of trust for a successful cooperation. The bricks manufactured by the ZENITH machines are of the highest quality and meet international standards and norms. In the wide range of products, almost all common stones from the field of building construction as well as gardening and landscaping are found. Special products are also possible. More than 7,000 satisfied customers have given us their trust and benefit every day from our extensive process know-how.